Frontline Fighters, promoting
from Tribal State.
How many years you be?
25. The time I did for the place where they work for security. Abada come meet me there and Gideon. They say me could go rob. I tell them say me I no go because the place where they work they get 10,000 any month. If you go there be problem come now. My work don't spoil. They say no problem, nothing will happen. I go. When we go there, we enter one house, we collect 10,000. The second house, we enter there and 2,000 we get there, and Jen did there, about the carry on. Now Gideon and Ishaka and the Rebel and David, we and Abada we come out, we there upside the road. We tell them say when you go, they say we not get enough money. Why you go, we go. And we come out there again, we go another house. The last house where we go. Now we say we enter there, we not carry anything. But somebody come out, they shout, thief, don't call. The time when we come out, we go. We don't know, say then they follow us back. We enter house. We enter house, they see the house where we enter in the morning, then come meet up for room with the still me and David. They matches me here. They matches David for face. I run, go sleep for bush. After I go for chemist, then treat me. I go another place, I don't stay there. Now this guy, they carry my picture for room, the place where they work, security. Then they look, I'm and then they find me for Insuka, then go catch me for Boko.
My name is Onyekachi Michael Obodo.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ngwo in Udu local government.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a businessman. I'm into car parts, engine. At Ladipo, Lagos State. Yes, sir.
So where do you stay?
I stayed at Ladipo, but I'm from Ngwo, Enugu State. I'm here because of issue of car snatching. Yeah, there was a friend of mine, popular known as Opanka. He called me and he told me that I should help him to drive this V-boot, one black V-boot, to Transekulu. That he's going to pick a car from that place, that he don't know how to drive, that if I could help him, that he will pay me some money to drive the car to Onitsha. I said, okay, that I can do it. So we now drive the V-boot from 9th Mars to Transekulu, Hillview Street, where we pick one Camry. You understand? He was the person that bring the key to the Camry and throw the key to me. I now drove the Camry to Onitsha, from Transekulu to Onitsha. So that's how it happened. I didn't know, he just told me that I will help him to drive the car. I now said, okay. It's when the policemen are now looking for me. They said I should, at Ngwo, they said I should report to the station. I now reported to the station. They now detained me.
Okay, how long did you know that your friend?
He's from childhood, before I went to Lagos. I know him as my village friend. He's not doing it, he just finished school.
When he asked you to drive that car, you didn't ask him who owns the car or what?
Actually, the truth, I didn't ask him. The V-boot that will drive to that Transekulu is a friend that lives close to their house that owns the V-boot.
Where is your friend now?
I didn't know. Since I was arrested, he ran away.
How do you think the police got information that?
It's through the BlackBerry that I was using, because that my friend, after that very day that I drove that car to Onitsha, he gave me the BlackBerry and the iPhone. I bought the iPhone from him. I wanted to give my wife the iPhone. So I was using the BlackBerry without no intention of anything. So they now tracked me. They said they tracked me through the phone. So that's how they got my address and everything.
You feel now that you are here?
I'm really ashamed of myself. I'm even begging the policemen if they can give me another opportunity, because I'm not into this kind of life. Since I finished my school, I've been a responsible person. If before this bad law come to me, I'm really ashamed of what happened, of what I did. Yeah, I was involved.